Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you think sneakers and elegance don't go hand in hand, think again. In 2025, stylish women are proving that sneakers can be both comfortable and incredibly chic when styled the right way. Today, we'll go over the key styling principles that will help you wear sneakers while maintaining a polished and sophisticated look. Let's get started. Number 1. Choose minimalist sneakers. The foundation of an elegant sneaker look starts with selecting the right pair. Instead of chunky, overly designed sneakers, opt for minimalist styles in neutral colors like white, beige, or soft brown. These tones naturally blend into a refined wardrobe without disrupting the balance of tailored pieces. Leather or suede sneakers remain timeless choices, offering a polished yet comfortable look. A streamlined silhouette with minimal branding keeps the outfit looking sophisticated rather than overly casual. However, this season, colorful sneakers are also making a statement. Think bold red, delicate blue, or rich green. These vibrant styles can add a fresh touch to your outfit when paired with understated clothing, ensuring a balanced and stylish appearance. Number 2. Sneakers with the right jeans. When styling sneakers with jeans, the shape of the denim matters. Pairing chunky sneakers with skinny jeans often creates a disproportionate look, cutting off the leg line and making the silhouette appear unbalanced. Similarly, slightly tapered or ankle jeans combined with chunky sneakers can create an awkward contrast, making feet look larger and disrupting the overall harmony of the outfit. Instead, if you love chunky sneakers, the best option is to pair them with wide-leg jeans. This combination helps elongate the legs while balancing out the bulkiness of the sneakers, ensuring a more polished and intentional look. On the other hand, if you prefer ankle-length or straight-leg jeans, opt for minimalist and sleek sneaker designs. These choices create a polished and versatile look that transitions smoothly between everyday wear and more elevated outfits. For a refined and stylish look, pair ankle or straight-leg jeans with a striped button-down shirt, layering a gray knit sweater over the top for added depth. Complete the outfit with sleek, minimalist, low-profile sneakers, a brown leather belt, and a matching handbag to achieve a well-balanced and polished appearance. On the other hand, if you prefer chunky sneakers, opt for wide-leg jeans to create a more elongated and structured silhouette. Style it with a white t-shirt and layer a cropped trench coat on top for a modern yet put-together feel. Finish the outfit with a black belt and a coordinated handbag to tie everything together seamlessly. Number 3. Sneakers with skirts. Pairing sneakers with skirts is a stylish way to combine femininity with comfort, but the key lies in choosing the right pieces and avoiding common styling mistakes. Let's start with satin skirts. These fluid, elegant skirts offer a beautiful contrast when paired with sneakers, creating a chic yet relaxed aesthetic. However, one of the most common mistakes with midi skirts is pairing them with socks that extend too far above the ankle. This can visually shorten the legs and create an unflattering break in the silhouette. Instead, opt for no-show or ankle-length socks to maintain a more elongated and seamless look. Another common mistake is pairing satin skirts with overly loose or unstructured tops. This can create unnecessary bulk and take away from the elegance of the skirt. Instead, opt for more fitted or slightly structured tops that define the waist and maintain a balanced silhouette. Now, let's talk about denim skirts. A structured denim skirt works well with sneakers, creating a stylish and modern look. When choosing a denim skirt, avoid overly detailed or ripped designs, as they can make the outfit appear unpolished. A better option is to opt for clean-cut styles or skirts with well-placed, symmetrical slits for a more balanced and polished appearance. This versatile piece can be styled in many ways. Pair it with a simple t-shirt for a relaxed outfit, a blazer for a more refined touch, or a classic button-down shirt for an effortlessly chic look. Another styling mistake is pairing balloon skirts with sneakers. Their shape already creates volume, and sneakers can make the look less refined. Instead, opt for kitten heels or other heeled shoes for a more elegant and well-balanced outfit. This alternative enhances your posture and refines the overall silhouette, ensuring a more polished and well-proportioned appearance. For example, you can style a satin skirt with a cropped gray cardigan layered over a white t-shirt. Complete the look with black and white sneakers, a black handbag, and gold jewelry for a touch of elegance. Another great option is pairing a denim skirt with a classic blue button-down shirt. Add a suede brown belt and a matching handbag to enhance the outfit's cohesion, and finish with simple sneakers and silver jewelry for a comfortable yet stylish appearance. Number 4. Sneakers with trousers. One of the most effortless ways to style sneakers while maintaining a polished look is by pairing them with well-fitted trousers. This combination offers a balance of comfort and sophistication, making it a go-to choice for women who want to look stylish yet relaxed. Tailored trousers, high-waisted straight-leg or wide-leg cuts, provide a sleek and elongated silhouette by defining the waist and creating a balanced proportion. Opting for structured designs with clean lines enhances the overall polished look while maintaining comfort. Shades like beige, cream, navy, and muted earth tones create a harmonious and polished look, ensuring the outfit feels well coordinated and refined. When wearing these trousers, avoid pairing them with overly loose or baggy tops, as this can make the overall look appear too casual and unstructured. Instead, opt for more fitted and well-structured pieces like cropped cardigans, fitted tops, or tailored blazers to maintain a balanced and polished appearance. For a refined yet relaxed look, style a gray blazer over a white t-shirt and pair it with high-waisted black wide-leg trousers. Cinch the waist with a slim black belt and complete the outfit with sleek sneakers and a black Longchamp bag. Add a brown watch for a subtle touch of sophistication. Alternatively, opt for a cozy yet polished ensemble by layering a cream-colored cardigan over a basic t-shirt, pair it with matching cream trousers, and elevate the look with burgundy sneakers and a coordinating bag. Finish off with a gold watch and delicate rings for an elegant touch. Number 5. Sneakers with dresses. Wearing sneakers with dresses is one of the simplest ways to create a stylish yet relaxed outfit. A popular way to achieve this is by layering a blazer over a dress, striking the perfect balance between sophistication and ease. This combination blends femininity with a modern touch, making it a go-to choice for fashionable women. For example, a simple yet chic outfit could be a black, long-length basic dress layered with a crisp white button-down shirt. Pair this with classic Adidas sneakers for a sporty yet refined touch. Add a straw bag, black sunglasses, silver hoop earrings, and a black leather watch to complete the look with understated elegance. Alternatively, create a cohesive look by pairing a brown satin maxi dress with a matching blazer. Complement it with cream-colored sneakers, coordinating sunglasses, and a structured bag. For an elevated touch, add a gold chain belt around the waist, gold hoop earrings, and a sleek cuff bracelet to bring subtle glamour to the ensemble. And that's how elegant women are wearing sneakers in 2025. Whether you love the versatility of minimalist sneakers, the balance of wide-leg trousers, or the effortless polish of a structured blazer, these styling tips will help you achieve a refined and stylish look. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fashion insights. See you in the next video.